This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lime smoothie. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh limes, a sweetener like honey or agave, and plenty of ice. Make sure your blender is ready to go and have your measuring cups and spoons handy. Choosing ripe limes is key for that perfect tangy taste, so pick them carefully. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Start by washing one lime thoroughly, then carefully zest it. This adds a wonderful aromatic boost. Next, juice 2 to 3 limes to get approximately 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. Finally, measure your sweetener. About 2 tablespoons is a good starting point, but you can always adjust it to your liking later. It's time to blend everything together for that perfect smoothie consistency. Add your lime juice, zest, sweetener, and ice into your high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 seconds or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. There should be no ice chunks remaining. Pour your refreshing lime smoothie into a glass and enjoy it right away. Here are a few tips to customize your lime smoothie. Feel free to adjust the sweetener and lime juice to achieve your ideal balance of sweet and tart. For exciting variations, try adding a few fresh mint leaves before blending, or incorporate some coconut milk for a creamier, tropical twist. You can also add a handful of spinach for a nutritional boost without altering the flavor much. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.